Hello friends, my name is Bindu and this is my first vlog. I hope you will like it. So today I am going to introduce limit. A limit of a function f of x is the value L that a function f of x approaches as x gets closer and closer to some number, say c. Mathematically, we can write it as limit f of x as x approaches c is equal to L. Let us understand limit by an example. So let f of x is equal to x square minus 4 upon x minus 2. If we put x is equal to 2 directly in the function, let us see what happens to f of x. So when x is equal to 2, f of x is equal to 2 square minus 4 upon 2 minus 2. So this is 4 minus 4 upon 2 minus 2, that is 0 upon 0. Now 0 upon 0 is a difficulty. We do not know the value of 0 upon 0. So this is called the indeterminate form. So instead of substituting x is equal to 2 directly, let us try approaching it closer and closer. Let us take the values of x which gets closer and closer to 2 and then see what happens to the values of f of x. So when x is equal to 1.5, f of x is 3.5. Let us get bit more closer to 2. When x is equal to 1.9, f of x is 3.9. Let us get bit more closer to 2. When x is equal to 1.99, then f of x is 3.99. When x is equal to 1.999, f of x is 3.999. Here you can see that when x gets closer and closer to 2, f of x also gets closer and closer to 4. So x never gets equal to 2. It just approaches 2. It just gets closer and closer to 2. Let us see the same thing graphically. So the graph of our function looks something like this. It looks something like this, okay? So you can see that as x gets closer and closer to 2 from the left side, f of x gets closer to 4. And when x gets closer from the right hand side, that is from this side, f of x gets closer and closer to 4. So actually we have two-sided limits, left hand side limit and right hand side limit. Left hand side limit we can write mathematically as limit f of x as x approaches 2 from the left side is equal to 4. To denote the left side, we will put a negative sign in the upper right corner of 2. Similarly, limit f of x as x approaches 2 from the right side is also 4. To denote the right hand side, we will put a plus sign in the upper right corner of 2. Here we can see that the both sided limit, left hand side limit and right hand side limit are equal to 4. So both are same. So the ordinary limit, that is limit f of x as x approaches 2 is also 4. But in every case, it is not same. Let us see one more example in which the left hand side limit and right hand side limit are not equal. So let me draw a graph of function. It looks something like this. Let us say this value is x is equal to a. Okay, so here this value is suppose 2 and here suppose this value is 4. Okay, so you can see that as we approach x is equal to a from the left hand side, f of x approaches 4. Okay, so we can write this like limit f of x as x approaches a from the left side is equal to 4. And here also you can see that as we approach x is equal to a from the right hand side, then f of x approaches 2. So limit f of x as x approaches a from the right side is equal to 2. Here you can see that the left hand side limit is 4 and the right hand side limit is 2. So both are not same. Both are not equal to each other. So the ordinary limit doesn't exist. So we can write that limit f of x as x approaches a does not exist. Hope this will help you to understand the basics of limit. And if you like the video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. And also I am providing online tutoring. If you need any academic help, you can contact me on my email address. It is given in the description. Okay then, see you soon. Bye.